Today we are headed to participate in the Brooklyn Made Market here in Dumbo. It is April 1st. It is the first of the month. It is my first market in Brooklyn with Coco by CeCe. I feel so grateful to be starting this beauty company. It's been a year of hard work in our beta year. Tester doll calls, product development, new recipes, figuring out what you dolls want, figuring out what I can give you. And now I feel really ready to bring this into the world. I also have to say a huge prayer of gratitude. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for this truck. I signed a contract with Ford last year to drive a Ford Maverick truck, the brand new hybrid Ford Maverick truck, around New York City for 6 months. And the contract got extended, and I fell in love with the truck. My life and my career got better because of the truck. I never thought that I would have never thought to get a truck. But with everything I'm doing with these markets, with the business, with everything I'm doing with product now, nothing I've ever done before has had product. And so being able to haul my product to a different market independently, it feels so good, and I could not do it without this truck. So I'm very grateful for this truck. At the end of the year, Ford gave me the opportunity to buy my truck for keeps. And because of you dolls and your support and supporting my work, I was able to work that out, and I have the resources to own a Ford truck. So I am a Ford Maverick owner. I own the first edition 2022 Ford Maverick hybrid Lariat truck. And even moments like this where this is Brooklyn, right? The streets are narrow, we're at Empire stores if you're a New Yorker, and I was able to pull up on the sidewalk for the loading dock. Actually, there was a big truck right in front of me that just pulled away. So I'm gonna pull up to an even better, let me put my seatbelt on. Oh, we're gonna have the best parking spot. So to be able to just pull my truck up onto the sidewalk with ease and not be afraid, to have a car big enough to carry my product, to be at this load-in dock, to hop onto the sidewalk with ease. My life did not look like this a year ago, and I just feel so incredibly grateful and so incredibly blessed. So let's head into our first Coco by CeCe market in Brooklyn. All right, dolls, welcome to the Coco by CeCe Beauty Company. Our intention is simple: to bring self-love, self-care, and body positivity together in your daily routine. We believe that self-love is not just a feeling, it's also an action, something you do for yourself every day. Our products are designed to help you prioritize yourself and remind you that you are worthy of love and care. So why is this important? Well, when you take care of yourself, you feel better about yourself. And when you feel better about yourself, you radiate positivity and confidence. So let's make self-love a verb and make it a part of our daily routine, starting today. This is our All right, so we have lots of product to load in, so we're gonna get that done, and we'll see you in a second. I'm so happy to tell you about my day at the Brooklyn Made Market. I had the pleasure of giving Coco by CeCe mini hand facials. So first, let me tell you a little bit about Coco by CeCe products. We're all about clean beauty. This means our products are cruelty-free, vegan, and free from parabens, chemical preservatives, artificial fragrances, gluten, and soy. So back to the mini hand facials. The process is so simple, yet so effective. We start by massaging the hands with our mini self-love scrub. This exfoliates dead skin with organic sugar and healthy, yummy oils like squalane. It's such a luxurious and gentle way to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. After rinsing away the scrub, we pat the skin dry and lock in our hydration with Coco by CeCe Doll Butter. Doll butter is made with the purest ingredients like organic cocoa butter, shea butter, rose, hibiscus, strawberry, calendula, so many of my favorite things. The results are amazing. Your hands will feel so nourished and so hydrated, but don't take my word for it. Let's see what these dolls have to say. Nora and Hi, So Nora and Coco by CeCe is my brand. It's based on the idea of body positivity and loving your body. So every morning when you have your routine, it's a nice way to feel good about yourself, love your body, and kind of practice self-love and self-care. Does that make sense? Very pretty. Thank you. All right, I'm going to pause here for a second and say one of the unexpected blessings of the Coco by CeCe Beauty Company has been the way that you all have been sharing this with the young baby dolls in your lives, your daughters, your nieces, your little sisters, your little cousins. I got a review about doll butter that said, finally, a product that me and my daughter can share that connects us even more. Doll butter is more than a butter, it's an experience. And that means so much to me. So, this is my self-love scrub. I'm going to give you some for your hands. And I'm going to give you a little for your hands too, okay? You do? Do you want to try this one? Okay. So, take a little bit like that. Yes, give yourself a nice massage like this. All in between your fingers. Anywhere that you want to feel that nice, healthy release. You like it? It exfoliates your hands.
I've seen a little like that, but it's like not really bad.
Yes.
When it's in like a moisture, like a...
Yes. So you guys know all about body care and taking care of yourself. So what you'll feel is the things that are scrubbing your hands, that's organic sugar. And the healthy yummy oils are gonna lock in yummy oils, are gonna lock in yummy oils, are gonna lock in yes, sugar. Yum yum. Okay, rub your hands together so that the healthy yummy oils stay in and the organic sugar falls off. Let me know when your hands feel nice and clean.
Yeah, my hands are dry.
When your hands are dry, you can throw... Yes. So this is called doll butter. I have a lot of followers on Instagram, and I call them my dolls. So I named this product after my community. That's why it's called doll butter.
My hands aren't dry.
Your hands aren't dry anymore. I'm so happy to hear that. Take some doll butter, and you're gonna lock in the hydration. You want to eat all my products, which makes me feel very good. Rub it in your hands, and you're gonna lock in that hydration. What do you think of the smell? What does it smell like to you?
The reason kind of gives me like an orange.
Orange.
It smells like doll butter.
It smells like doll butter. I received that.
And butter.
And butter. I like that. Thank you. There's cocoa butter in there. There's shea butter in there. There's rose oils in there. There's hibiscus. I like flowers, so I try to put that in all my products. What do you think? Do you have any questions? Can I answer any questions for you? Do that last step. This is fire, girl. Thank you. Okay. You're giving me the experience, okay? I love this one, CeCe. Thank you. Shared with my Instagram dolls that weekends like this remind me of my big why for my health and wellness journey. I woke up thanking God for the strength to stand on my feet for 7 hours straight, 2 days in a row. There was a point in my life where I couldn't do that, but health is a practice, not a pant size. And this weekend, I reaped the benefits of that. Not only did I wake up feeling a little sore, but overall good. I didn't have any swelling in my ankles. I didn't have any back, knee, or joint pain. Felt good. Something else that feels good is the amazing community we're building here at Coco by CeCe. Every day I have the pleasure of connecting with new dolls like Lynn and Tamara, as well as true dolls like Lucy, Nicole, and Marie, who have followed me for years and are now becoming Coco by CeCe customers. One of the ways we've been able to grow our community sustainably is through our mini hand facial kit. We wanted to create a way for you to sample and enjoy Coco by CeCe before committing to a full-size purchase, while also being mindful of our impact on the environment. Our mini hand facial kit is made in small test batches, and our current batch has unfortunately sold out. But don't worry, dolls. Our next batch drops next Tuesday. So you can join the waiting list now for our next Tester Doll Tuesday drop. Each Tuesday, we're dropping a small test batch of our mini hand facial kit for you to try and give your honest review. We believe that everyone deserves to feel good in their own skin, and our products are designed to help you do just that. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and join the waiting list for our next Tester Doll Tuesday drop this coming Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for being a part of our amazing community. I really appreciate it.